The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Mazon to near Minong, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dana, Kingsman, Streeter, Rutland, Cornell, South Streeter, Verona, Ransom, and Long Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mazon to near Minong, moving east. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dana, Kingsman, Streeter, Rutland, Cornell, South Streeter, Verona, Ransom, and Long Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.